Welcome to Grozeo. Create your online store in just a few steps. Visit grozeo.com. Step 1. Click Create your free store. Step 2. Verify your email or sign up with Facebook, Gmail, or phone number. Enter your email details to set up your account. If there's already an account associated with that email, you'll need to sign in. If not, you can continue creating your account by verifying your email with the OTP we sent you. Step 3. Enter your VAT details. If you don't have a VAT number, you can skip this step. Step 4. Enter your store details, such as the store name, address, and select the appropriate retail category for your store. Later, if you wish, you can add more retail categories on the partner site. Add the address from the drop-down after the postcode, accept the terms and conditions, and click Create Your Store. Step 5. Verify your email with the OTP sent to the provided address. Step 6. Create a new password. Your online store is now ready. Check out your website by clicking Go to Site.